Welcome to AI News Update, the show where we bring you the latest and greatest developments in the field of artificial intelligence. I'm your host, Lucy, and today we have a lot of exciting stories to share with you. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the top headlines for this month. DAS Data lands $118 million to grow its data storage platform for AI workloads. Respeecher's ethics-first approach to AI voice cloning locks in new funding. Meta AI adds Reels support and reimagine, a way to generate new AI images in group chats, and more. Meta's AI characters are now live across its US apps, with support for Bing search and better memory. Meta launches a standalone AI-powered image generator. Google's AI chatbot Bard gets a big upgrade with Gemini, Google's next-gen AI model. Google's Gemini isn't the generative AI model we expected. Google announces the Cloud TPU v5p, its most powerful AI accelerator yet. Pixel 8 Pro becomes the first smartphone powered by Google's new AI model, Gemini. Liquid AI, a new MIT spinoff, wants to build an entirely new type of AI. Now, let's dive deeper into each of these stories and see what they mean for the future of AI. DAS Data lands $118 million to grow its data storage platform for AI workloads. DAS Data, a New York-based startup that provides a scale-out, unstructured data storage solution designed to eliminate tiered storage, has raised $118 million in a Series D funding round led by Tiger Global Management. The company claims that its platform can deliver unprecedented performance, scalability, and simplicity for AI and analytics applications, by leveraging technologies such as NVMe flash, 3D X-point memory, and low-latency networking. DAS Data says that it has more than 200 customers, including some of the world's largest AI research organizations, such as OpenAI, NVIDIA, and Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory. Respeecher's ethics-first approach to AI voice cloning locks in new funding. Respeecher, a Ukrainian synthetic voice startup, has secured $1 million in a seed extension round led by Techstars. The company uses deep learning to create realistic voice clones that can be used for various purposes, such as dubbing, gaming, audiobooks, and podcasts. However, unlike some of its competitors, Respeecher has a strong focus on ethics and consent, and requires users to obtain permission from the original voice owners before cloning their voices. Respeecher also offers a verification service that can detect if a voice has been manipulated by its technology or not. Meta AI adds Reels support and reimagine, a way to generate new AI images in group chats, and more. Meta AI, the company's generative AI experience, is gaining new capabilities starting today, including the ability to create new AI images when prompted by users in group chats, and the ability to share AI-generated Reels on Meta's platforms. Users can also access a new web app, Imagine with Meta, that allows them to create images by describing them in natural language, or by using keywords and emojis. Meta AI uses a large-scale neural network model, codenamed Seer, that can generate photorealistic images from scratch, or modify existing images according to user preferences. Meta's AI characters are now live across its US apps, with support for Bing search and better memory. Meta has introduced a set of AI characters, including those based on real-life celebrities such as Paris Hilton, Mr. Beast, Kendall Jenner, Tom Brady, Charli D'Amelio, Snoop Dogg, and more, that users can chat with on Meta's apps, such as Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. The AI characters are powered by a conversational AI system, codenamed BlenderBot, that can engage in open-ended dialogues with users, and answer questions, tell jokes, play games, and give advice. The AI characters can also access Bing search to provide relevant information, and have a better memory of previous conversations with users. Meta launches a standalone AI-powered image generator. Meta has launched a new, standalone generative AI experience on the web, Imagine with Meta, that allows users to create images by describing them in natural language, or by using keywords and emojis. The web app uses a large-scale neural network model, codenamed Seer, that can generate photorealistic images from scratch, or modify existing images according to user preferences. Users can also share their creations on Meta's platforms, or download them for personal use. Google's AI chatbot Bard gets a big upgrade with Gemini, Google's next-gen AI model. Google Bard, the company's generative AI chatbot and ChatGPT rival, is getting an update today that the company claims will significantly enhance its capabilities. The chatbot will now use Gemini, Google's next-generation AI model, that is based on a new architecture called Transformer XL, that can handle longer and more complex inputs and outputs. Gemini also incorporates a new technique called self-attention, that allows the model to learn from its own generated text and improve its coherence and consistency. Google says that Bard can now generate more engaging and diverse responses, and handle a wider range of topics and tasks. Google's Gemini isn't the generative AI model we expected. Google's long-promised, next-gen generative AI model, Gemini, has arrived. Sort of. The version of Gemini launching this week, Gemini Pro, is essentially a lightweight offshoot of a more powerful and ambitious model, Gemini Ultra, that is still under development. Gemini Pro is designed to run on Google's existing Cloud TPU v5p, while Gemini Ultra will require a new and more advanced AI accelerator, the Cloud TPU v6p, that is expected to launch next year. Gemini Ultra will also leverage a new technique called sparsity that will allow the model to process more information with fewer parameters and achieve higher performance and efficiency. Google announces the Cloud TPU v5p, its most powerful AI accelerator yet. Google today announced the launch of its new Cloud TPU v5p, an updated version of its Cloud TPU v5e, that launched in October. The Cloud TPU v5p is a custom-designed AI chip that can deliver up to 1.3 petaflops of peak performance, and support up to 4 terabytes of high-bandwidth memory. The Cloud TPU v5p is optimized for running Google's new Gemini large language model, as well as other state-of-the-art AI models, such as BERT, GPT-3, and DALL-E. Google says that the Cloud TPU v5p will be available to its cloud customers in early 2024. Pixel 8 Pro becomes the first smartphone powered by Google's new AI model, Gemini. The Pixel 8 Pro will now become the first Android smartphone to be powered by Google's next-generation AI model, Gemini, starting today, the company announced. Gemini Nano, a version of the model that is optimized for mobile devices, will run on the Pixel Neural Core, a dedicated AI chip that is embedded in the Pixel 8 Pro. Gemini Nano will enable the Pixel 8 Pro to offer new and improved features, such as enhanced voice and text recognition, natural language understanding, image and video processing, and augmented reality. Liquid AI, a new MIT spinoff, wants to build an entirely new type of AI. Liquid AI, a new MIT spinoff co-founded by robotics luminary Daniela Russ, aims to build general-purpose AI systems powered by a relatively new type of AI model called a liquid neural network. Unlike conventional neural networks, which have fixed architectures and weights, liquid neural networks can dynamically adapt their structures and parameters to different tasks and environments, and learn from multiple sources of data and feedback. Liquid AI says that its technology can enable AI systems to achieve human-like levels of intelligence, creativity, and flexibility, and solve complex problems across domains. That's all for today's episode of AI News Update. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the world of artificial intelligence. See you next time.